as above, so below. What does that really mean? If something means this, it's also going to mean this. I have a core belief that everything resonated from darkness itself. Just close your eyes, and then that's it. Most of us in society are experiencing not the best lives, okay? We're experiencing emotions that we definitely don't want to experience, and a lot of us take pride in that. But did you know that the same feelings on the other end of the spectrum, joy, happiness, abundance, peacefulness. What's up guys, Universal Mastery coming to you live, South Beach, Miami. Right now I'm in the Botanical Garden. Today I'm going to present a message, very powerful message. So basically what the main focus is of this channel is to help you become successful, help you level up in life, whether that's spiritually, physically, mentally, materializations. Pretty much bring all that into one big mesh together. And yeah, I just want to share my knowledge with you so that you can help yourself evolve, and then hopefully you will spread this knowledge, because right now we're in a time when there is so much opportunity that is right in front of our faces, and the only way that we are going to make a change on this earth, the only way we're going to bring back this balance that needs to be brought, is by us speaking the truth, by us speaking this universal truth that's out there, which is, you know, there obviously isn't the right amount of balance out there. So basically that's what I'm going to go into just to start. So I like to think of it as in there's like 90% of people, which is like the masses, if you will, and 90% of people are kind of lost, right? So they're operating on a frequency that they're not fully aware of and they're not fully in control of. Then there seems to be 10% that happen to step out of that frequency. Now, it's very interesting because even in that 10%, there's levels to it. But the question is, why is 90% stuck inside of that basic frequency? So the goal is to reverse engineer, you know, why are most people, you know, not chasing their dreams? Why are most people not aligned with their true core essence? Why are most people not doing what they truly want and love to do? Like, who lied to them and made them really believe that that was who they are supposed to be, just another speck of dust in the wind, okay? Because we all have a bigger purpose, okay? We all have a bigger reason for being here. That doesn't necessarily mean that in this lifetime that's going to be your time to uncover that reason, but what it does mean is that right now, as I said, there's 90% of people that don't really know what they're doing. Then there's 10% that have a better understanding of what they're doing. So what I'm trying to do is I'm trying to bring balance to that. I'm trying to make it 50-50, because what I do know is that not everyone's going to understand what I'm saying right now, and that's okay. It's not my job to try and change people. It's my job to speak my truth and say what I'm going to say and see how that affects other people, okay? So that's the goal. That's pretty much the whole path of this channel itself. So first thing that I want to go into is I want to go into recreation, okay? I want to talk about when you start from nothing, okay? When you start a journey of chasing your true core essence, following the path that you were here to follow, I'm gonna tell you this: you're gonna come to a place of basically like a butterfly. You start off in the cocoon, okay? You're completely in a cocoon. You don't know what's going on. Till this day, scientists don't even know what goes on in a cocoon when a caterpillar turns into a butterfly. They don't even know what goes on inside of that cocoon. So that's the goal, okay? So when you start this path, you're basically in your cocoon, okay? And while you're in that cocoon, it's a little bit dark, okay? You're gonna be tested by outside forces to see if what you're doing with your true core path, to see if you're actually serious about that. And if you are really serious about something and you know it's a soul purpose that's driving you every single day, then you're not gonna let that outside adversary stop you from your goal. You're actually, what a good thing that I like to say is transmute that adversary into a partner. Okay, so realize that that adversary is there to teach you that you can move through these problems like water, okay? And you can come on the other side with flames of glory, okay? You can come on the other side with all this power. So that's when you step into from being a caterpillar to a butterfly. So you go through the stage of darkness, and then once you come out of that cocoon, you realize, oh my God, you know, all that adversary that I experienced was experienced for a reason. And now it made me really strong. It makes you work on your brain, makes you work on your mental, which is one of the most powerful, it is the most powerful muscle that we have, is the prefrontal cortex, which is the brain. And those challenges test your brain. They test you to focus, okay, with like laser beam focus, laser beam willpower. And then once you realize that you can literally achieve anything that you put your mind to, that's when you start to receive the benefits from that. Okay, you start to realize that you can do whatever you want, and then you start doing things that you actually want to do. You start speaking your truth because you realize that's what makes you feel good, and it also changes other people's lives, so it gives you a sense of purpose because you're actually making an impact. And that's the whole power behind it. So basically what I'm saying is during the cocoon phases, which is what I like to call the initiation phase, you're going to go through tough shit, okay? You're going to go through challenge. You're going to be tested on all aspects, okay? On all aspects. And you'll be tested even harder depending on how big your purpose is. So I want you to be ready for that if you're watching this, and I want you to know this, have knowledge of this, if this is something that you're getting into now. Okay, it's a very spiritual and physical thing. It's a complete balance. And when you know that, then you're going to know that when those hard times come, it's a part of the process. It's meant to happen. If you don't have, I don't know if you've heard the saying, but if you don't have haters, you're not doing the right thing. You need to have challenge. Challenge is going to show up. It's going to knock at your door. It just depends on how you open that door and you handle that challenge. So that's the message that I'm leaving for today. I hope you guys liked it. Make sure you like and subscribe to my channel, Universal Mastery. I'm going to post every single day, or at least I'm going to try to, 5 days at the least, if that's it. So make sure you like and subscribe. Hit that notification bell since I'm going to be posting so much. And these high quality videos are going to start coming out more and more. This channel is growing exponentially. So make sure you tune in. Peace.